In this tutorial, I'm going to demonstrate how to use split backstitch to follow a curve. First, I'll draw a curvy line onto my fabric with the blue water erasable fabric pen. You can use whatever transfer method you like. Bring your needle up and then back down through your fabric, following your line. Come back up through your fabric about the same distance as your first stitch. When you bring your needle back down, take it through your last stitch. You're splitting the floss as you go back down, which is why this is called split backstitch. Continue all the way until you're finished with your line. One thing I'll note here is that you'll want a shorter stitch distance for tighter curves. The shorter your stitches, the smoother that curve will be. I sped up here so I could get us to the end more quickly. This is just a random curvy line, but you can use this stitch for all sorts of things. Once you're at your last stitch, you'll end your line by coming up through that last hole. And then you'll just split your last stitch. I hope that was helpful. Happy stitching.